Hello, I'm Lucas. I live in Marijampolė, Lithuania. I go to piano school. I love electronics, electro music, club music. Well, that's it. That's my hobby.
Hello, my name is Modestas. I live in Marijampolė, in Lithuania. My hobby is be with friends and play basketball. Hello, my name is Carlos. I live in Marijampolė. I have one dog, my sister, and one brother.
Semayu.
Hello, I'm Simon. I'm living in Lithuania, Marijampolė. In my free time, I play with computer with my Stu, and that's it.
Hello, I'm Dana. I'm living in Marijampolė. In Lithuania, I like to play football, sometimes with friends. That's all.
Hello, my name is Laura. I like to listen to music and dancing.
Hello, my name is Sandra. I live in Marijampolė in Lithuania. I like music and electronics.
Okay, no, say hello at least, okay? Hello. Now wave everybody and say see you.
See you.